Welcome back. Well, it's the midweek trading today, and of course, the markets and the traders and investors are expecting and looking forward to hear from the Central Bank Monetary Policy Committee what their decision would be as regards the monetary policy rate. And I hope to talk to Rotimi Fakayejo if he's ready. Hello, good morning, Rotimi.
I'm fully aware of the...
Hello, Rotimi, good morning. Well, while we wait to get through to Rotimi, let's quickly have a rundown of what the market was like. On Tuesday, investors started the month on a bearish note after the Easter break. The all-share index closed lower by 1.56% to 40,855.64 points as profit-taking resurfaced across major sectors. The losses were led by the Industrial Goods Index, followed by the Consumer Goods, Oil and Gas, Banking and Insurance indices. Notable stocks that sparked the losses include Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, Japan Oil, GT Bank and Link Assurance. Market breadth remained negative with 36 losers and 11 gainers. Total volume of trades was higher by 34.15% to 365.72 million, valued at 6.27 billion naira, and exchanged in 4,173 deals. And at the unlisted securities market, the index went up marginally by 0.01%, with the market capitalization closing at 449.28 billion naira. In just 3 deals, a total volume of securities traded was 269,941, valued at 2.8 million naira. Looking at the fixed income market, average yield contracted by 18 basis points to 14.56% in the Treasury bill segment of the market. Yield contracted at the short, mid and long ends of the curve. In 554 deals, over 153 billion naira was realized. Now, at the Treasury bill auction scheduled for today, the CBN is expected to offer 95.20 billion naira, made up of 9.52 billion naira of the 91-day, 47.60 billion naira of the 182-day, and 38.08 billion naira of the 364-day worth of bills to the market. And at the bond segment, activities also turned bullish as average yield declined by 5 basis points to 13.64%. Yields fell across all ends of the curve, short, mid and long, driven by demand for the January 2022, March 2027 and March 2036 bonds. The total value of trade for the day was 8 billion naira traded in 70 deals. Well, do remember that today is the rate decision day of the Central Bank of Nigeria will, by 2 p.m. today, announce the decision by the Monetary Policy Committee that has been meeting for the past 2 days. They will have, the CBN governor will be announcing the rate decision later this afternoon, and here on Channels Television, we'll be bringing that live to you, and we will have our panel of discussants sitting down here to explain and, of course, analyze some of the decisions taken at that meeting, and that will start by 1:30 p.m. today. Well, that's a wrap on the show. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Chimizi Obi. You're welcome.